Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if YouTube TV or YouTube is just appearing small on your screen, on your Fire Stick. Just go on over to the right and select this, and then go on down to Applications. Then we want to go to Manage Installed Applications, and then go to the YouTube app under here. So let's back out. Find YouTube is on the bottom here. So let's go to the Y section. And we just want to clear the cache, force stop, and then restart the application. So let's go to this, go to force stop, clear the cache, and then go to relaunch the application. Now if that still doesn't work and the box is appearing small, go to where it says clear data. Now this is going to sign you out of YouTube, but it's going to erase pretty much all the data for YouTube. And it's like you just downloaded the app, and then try that out from there. Now your last option is to uninstall it. Just select it right there, and then you can get it back on your Amazon Fire Stick. Just hold down this middle dial button right here with the Alexa button, or go to search and type it in, and you can find it really easy. Let's type in YouTube, so I got to pair my remote, so I'll do that later. But you can just type in YOU, and then you should be able to find YouTube under here, and then download it again. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.